everyone, I'm Prabjot Kaur and you're watching One India News YouTube channel. Further dangling the stick, government warned that cash deposit above 2.5 lakh rupees threshold under the 50-day window could attract tax plus a 200% penalty in case of income mismatch. The tax department would do matching of this with the income returns filed by the depositors, and suitable action may follow. Any mismatch with income declared by the account holder will be treated as a case of tax evasion. Plus, a penalty of 200% of the tax payable would be levied as per the Section 270A of the Income Tax Act. The government has allowed citizens to deposit in their bank accounts old currency of Rs 500 and Rs 1000 denominations which had been declared invalid in the nation's biggest crackdown on black money, corruption and counterfeit notes between November 10 and December 30th. Small businessmen, housewives, artisans and workers who had some cash lying as their savings at home should not be worried about any tax department scrutiny. Such group of people need not worry about such small amount of deposit up to Rs 1.5 or 2 lakh since it would be below the taxable income. There will be no harassment by the income tax department for such small deposits. On people resorting to buying of jewellery has to provide the PAN number. The instructions are being issued to the field authorities to check with all the jewellers to ensure this requirement is not compromised. Action will be taken against those jewellers who fail to take PAN numbers from such buyers. When the cash deposits of the jewellers would be scrutinized against the sales made, whether they have taken the PAN number of the buyer or not will also be checked. Well, that's all in this video. If you've liked it, please hit like, comment and share. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.